What's up, guys? And what's next? Robert here. What's next is I found myself a little late to the party, but it seems like it's still going on down here in Lake Wylie, South Carolina. The Christmas boat parade has been going on. Now, I have to be a little careful. It sounds like I got some music in the background there, but it's okay. We'll have fun. I don't care. I just want to show you guys what's going on because boats can get pretty cool for Christmas. Let's do it. Check out all the lights. There's a restaurant right there. And I got food trucks and fun activities going on out here. We'll see if I can get in close to some of these pretty cool boats all lit up. Oh, there's one shooting out snow. That's awesome. Wow. All right, let's see what's going on. All right, we got the Grinch. We got Cindy Lou here. How about that? Pretty cool. We got the green boat here. Merry Grinchmas. Pretty cool. Awesome. Fun activities going on. Everybody having a good time. Down here we got the restaurant up here. Papa Docs. Alright, we're gonna try to make our way back down here a little bit. See what else. I'm gonna try not to drop you into the lake. Oh, we got from A Christmas Story, Ralphie. Woo. All right, that was a close one. I almost lost you. Look at this one, the tree on top.
That's the best one.
The very best. There's Charlie Brown. Oh my goodness. We got over here, those guys enjoying a good drink here. They got a speaker decked out over here. Pretty cool. I'm gonna make our way back and we're gonna see, and there's Papa Docs. We'll go find Santa on the other side. Oh, look at the snow at the party. Woo! I didn't know it was gonna get snow in Lake Wylie, South Carolina. Check out this one, man. We got a fire going inside.
And a Christmas tree.
Wow. We got this one. Look at this blow up gingerbread. So cool. Check it out. Then you got Snoopy. He's the captain of this one on the top right there. Yeah, I got reindeer on the front. Yeah, Rudolph. You got a small one with the little kids having a good time. You know, my brother-in-law should have got his boat decked out and brought it out here. Oh, let's see the Grinch coming up. Ooh, it's getting a little bouncy out here. Yeah, little dog. All right. Some of the boats are going to get started heading out, so we're going to try to catch what we can down here. Got Grinch and some elves over here. Wow.
These guys before. Look at that one with the lights over there, the disco ball.
Yeah.
Oh, it's another.
Oh, look at
Two
them.
Grinches together.
Oh, we got a little dog right here. What's your name?
It's lovely.
Aw, look,
So
yeah.
cute.
Hello. Our little dog wouldn't be that sweet, but wow. Look at the elves over here. And we're moving now. Grinch. Hey.
Who's that?
He thinks it's Max. Oh no.
Oh, he's looking for his Max. It's not Max. Look at the owls. They're ready to go to work.
That's cute. Let's see what we got here. We got some pajama, Christmas jammy party getting on some pictures over here. And try and make our way. Look at Santa up there.
He's from the elf movie. Yeah.
It's Buddy the Elf. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Oh, look, Santa's going to his sleigh.
Hey, Buddy the Elf.
Oh, there's Buddy the elf. There he is.
Woo! Gonna make our way slipping down all the way to the star. Yeah, try to catch the last before they go out. All right, coming through. And I want to see these down here. Look at this one. Oh wow. Oh, look how it's all set up in there. That is really cool. All right. How you doing? Awesome.
You can't forget Santa Claus. He's getting ready to take off. He was just sitting
I know. He's down here.
He just moved down there.
He's got a slide right here. Got a cuttery board there. And then we got to come over here. Let's see. And there go the boats. And they're off. The boats are on their parade. Oh, we got a TV watching the got the football game.
Packers or Steelers.
Some are starting to head out. Here goes Santa's.
He's even got his gifts ready. Look at that.
That's cool. Oh, excuse me.
Santa's getting back. You gotta get a picture.
That's so awesome. Santa's getting set up again. He's got to get the proper look. All right, get his reindeer and his huge sleigh going. Wow. Sailing off, Santa.
Yeah, I didn't see the lights until you pulled it up.
Oh.
Nice. Look at that.
Yeah, Mrs. Claus. I can barely see her.
And there's Miss Claus.
There she is. Yeah.
And his
Wow.
office right there. Oh, he's changing the reindeer. He's saying the natural.
Yeah, yeah. Cool.
Coming back to find you.
Well, I think we're gonna make our way back out. Okay, let's see. All the people on the shoreline, all the people watching the boats. Yeah, we might go up that way and catch them. But there's
the Grinch over there.
again, there's Santa up there in the Santa boat, and there, oh, the Grinch, the inflatable Grinch. This is fun. You ever get to come see a boat parade? I like that we got to come down here and see some of the boats up close. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna get this little picture there. I'm gonna get a picture of the Grinch one. I like him. That's cool. Alright, we're gonna. And here go the boats. Then I'm up here. There you go. They're heading out and they circle around, and everybody's having a good time. You got fire pits set up, food and music, and it's just how so many different ways to experience the Christmas season out here, no matter where you are. Let's see, I'm gonna try to get a little closer down here and see. Come over here and watch my step a little bit. All right. All right. Look, now you see all the boats out in the water. Yeah, let me straighten up a bit. Here we go. Perfect evening.
Oh, there's Santa's sleigh over there. Look at that.
Oh yeah, Santa's sleigh where we were just at. There he goes.
There he is there, and then there's
Always at the end of the parade. So. They're way down there. Awesome. And one more boat right there heading out. Last of the boats. No fire trucks on this parade. Sorry, no marching bands. Oh, they got a fire boat, yeah.
And the sheriff's boat.
Well, that's the 2023 Lake Wylie Christmas Boat Parade. And I was glad I made it in time to just kind of walk around and see each of the boats up close. And then I got to see them head out into the lake there. They're going to go around, they'll come back. But a lot of fun. Hopefully maybe I'll make it down here a little earlier next year and set up camp or something like that. But we'll see. But yeah, if you ever get a chance, come check it out. Thanks for following. Like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. And you'll never know where you'll find me next on this holiday season of What's Next, Robert. Thanks for now. Have a good one.